Assam Rifles and United Service Institution USI of India organized the first ever Assam Rifle Martyrs Memorial webinar on the subject Assam Rifles' role in the Act East policy in the backdrop of Northeast security calculus. Major General B.K. Sharma, AVSM, SM Director USI of India, initiated a webinar with welcome remarks and explained the strategic paradigm of the Northeast Act East policy and the role of Assam Rifles in brief. Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan, AVSM, SM Director General Assam Rifles, articulated upon the historical aspects of Assam Rifles, including active contribution in world wars and involvement in major conflicts, wars of independent India. He also laid emphasis on the ongoing security situation in Northeast and the role of Assam Rifles in maintaining peace in the region. He briefly explained the dynamic involvement of the force in civic action projects pan-Northeast, including immense contribution in countering COVID-19 and the role of the force in furthering the initiatives of Government of India. General Bikram Singh, PVSM, UISM, AVSM, SM, VSM retired, former Chief of Army Staff, delivered a talk on the subject. The general paid homage to the martyrs of Assam Rifles who have made the supreme sacrifice in the line of duty and dwelled upon the historical aspects of Northeast, the present security scenario, and the emerging future dynamics of the region. He highlighted upon the role of Assam Rifles in improving the security situation in Northeast and being an important figure in furthering the aim of Act East policy. The address by the General was followed by a Q&A session. Major General S.S. Deusi, VSM Additional Director General Assam Rifles, gave a vote of thanks to the speakers and over 500 participants, including those in service and retired officers from the Indian Army, Assam Rifles, CAPFs, and civil dignitaries. The event was skillfully moderated by Dr. Roshan Khanijo, Assistant Director Research, USI of India.